To disable automatic app updates on an Android device in a clear and professional way, follow the steps below carefully. This method helps you take full control over when and how your apps are updated, which can be useful for saving mobile data, storage space, or avoiding unwanted changes to app features. Go to the Google Play Store application menu. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Once the Play Store is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu containing several account and settings options. Next, scroll down through the menu and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you will see multiple sections. Then locate and expand the Network Preferences section. This area controls how the Play Store uses your internet connection. Within Network Preferences, tap on Auto Update Apps. A pop-up window will appear with different update options. To completely disable automatic updates, select Don't Auto Update Apps. After choosing this option, confirm your selection by tapping Done or OK depending on your device version. Once this setting is applied, your apps will no longer update automatically in the background. Instead, you will need to manually update them whenever you choose to do so by visiting the Manage Apps and Device section in the Play Store. This method is simple, effective, and gives you better control over your device's performance, data usage, and storage management.